Oh, you push. Oh, mind yourself, man. Mind yourself. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't touch here, sir. We're not touching you neither, you know. Don't touch nobody here, sir.
Go on, get your number. Fuck you.
Go on. Go on your Jeep and go on, man. You push your man, boss. Understand yourself. Don't do no stupidness.
You're in a problem later. Later you're in a problem. No rest.
Mind yourself. That's what I tell you. Behave a little self.
I say push me.
You see the fact that you have a man black thinking, man. You have a man that is a coward. No believe in the Almighty again. We don't believe in a coronavirus. Look how weak you are. Eh? A master in face are big gun. That is what no boy no master in face can give me no talk. And that's what you know. Go out to the business.
Take off the mask and come back.
Go call the army and them more come. Tell
Andrew Holiness we want him over here if he sit down and talk.
Lick me down, that's what you do. Lick me down. I think on the girl is like when I get licked down. This is now than dance thinking boy in a car and I am crutches. How you know that? You go out to the business, that's all I'm good to do. Go in the sea with that to the city if you know good food.
Mine no man. Mine what I do?
See with that. I'm a John and a thinking self on the sun I did already. Next to you already dead anyway. So go on to the sea got dead. And that's what them people come to slave you out and not try it lock people and come here. What do you think gonna get tell me now? Cut! Germs! Cut!
Boy! And now come back. When you don't blood clot come back. Simple.
Nigga! Lift up! Me too.
Look a soldier. Who's them if you tell you blood clot about come off a beach? They make no bomber clot beach. They make no beach boat here. Come off of them mother. About come off a beach. Come off a war.